we're bringing rewards back.
Yep.
Good Food Friday, we'll give you a snack.
Yep.
We think you're special, yeah, we've got your back.
Yep.
So vote RAD and we'll pick up the slack.
Yep.
Dirty seats, you see these red stains, yeah, we'll get you clean. More technology for every day. This will help you find your way.
Take it to the chorus.
Go to the polls. You better vote RAD.
We'll treat you like a VIP. We're RAD, baby.
You can see what we're working for.
Now listen here for more.
New after-school programs.
Go ahead and think about them.
Go to the polls.
You better vote RAD. Go to the polls. You better vote RAD. Go to the polls. You better vote RAD. Go to the polls. You better vote RAD.
I'm bringing field trips back. Those other groups don't know how to act.
Yeah.
After school classes for the ones they lack.
Yeah.
You'll get to college and that's a fact.
Yeah. Okay.